Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm so happy and so excited because we are a family of 40,000 subscribers. So I'm so happy that we have reached 40,000 subscribers, and I want to thank everyone, those who have supported me and those who have liked my videos, those who have watched my videos. Thank you so much for everything, and once again thank you so much for your love and for your support. So guys, to celebrate our 40,000 subscribers, my hubby made this beautiful cake and we celebrated. Thank you so much once again. Today also I'm here with very simple recipe. Today I'm going to make, let me show you, this Parwal. I think it's called pointed gourd. So actually when I was small, I don't like eating this Parwal. In our place I think we call it bottle. Yeah, bottle. So I never like eating this one. But 2 years back I had a very special recipe in one of our friend's house, and I really liked it. You know, I was like shocked that how can it be Parwal? I don't even like eating Parwal. So that was the first time that I really like eating Parwal. So today I'm going to make the recipe, and I hope that you will also like it. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, first of all, we'll remove the skin. Just scrub it. Don't peel it off. Just scrub it like this. Now you don't need to cut this one. First of all, we'll wash it, then only we'll cut. Okay, now it's clean. I've removed all the outer layer. Now I'll wash it properly. So guys, I have washed it properly. Now I'm going to cut the top and the bottom one. It's actually same. Which one is top, which one is bottom one. But cut both this side and cut it in the middle. If you feel like the seeds are hard, then remove this. Remove this. Remove it, and you can cut it in small pieces. See, this size you can cut. Don't cut it in very thin size also, otherwise when you're frying it, all the Parwals, it will shrink. So guys, cutting is done. Now I will mix the ingredients here. This is rice flour, rice powder, 3 spoons I have added. This is besan. Teaspoon besan. Haldi powder. Red chili powder. And salt. Now we'll mix this all together. So guys, we are going to mix it all. I don't want my hands to get burned, so I'm using these hand gloves. You can add a little bit of water so that all the rice flour and the besan, it will stick nicely in Parwal. Well guys, I've mixed it properly, and at last on top of it just add a little bit of rice flour and mix it like this. Okay, this is done. Now we'll heat the oil. Add the oil. Okay guys, oil is heated. Now we will add this parwal in this oil. Okay, that's it. We should not overcrowd the pan also. In a low flame, fry the parwals. Okay guys, our first batch is done. I'm going to remove it. See this. Oh my god. Looks so crispy. Okay, now we'll fry the remaining batch. So guys, this is a crispy parwal fry. See this. Wow, see, it's so crispy. Let me taste this. Like I said, I don't like eating parwal, but this is so good. I'm really in love with parwal. So guys, by the way, like if you have arrowroot powder, you can use arrowroot powder instead of rice flour and besan. If you have arrowroot powder, just add arrowroot powder. But if you don't have that, then you can add rice flour, besan, and if you don't have rice flour, then you can even use corn flour. So this is so good guys, I'm just loving it. Once again guys, thank you so much for your love and for your support. And also, if you like this video and if you like watching this video, please don't forget to share it, don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. So whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get the notification. So thank you so much guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye, tada.